Imagine, if you will, the year 2075. Humanity has expanded beyond the confines of Earth. But what does the future of space habitats look like? How will we live among the stars? In the present day, the space habitats we have are quite rudimentary. The International Space Station, our most advanced outpost in the cosmos, is comparable to a tin can floating in an ocean of darkness. It's an impressive structure, sure, but it's hardly a place you'd call home. Yet, as we gaze into the future, we see a plethora of possibilities. Our species, known for its relentless pursuit of knowledge and exploration, won't stop at simple space stations. We envision a future where humans live in expansive, self-sustaining habitats orbiting Earth or on the Moon, Mars, and maybe even asteroids. These aren't just dreams. They are the culmination of our human ingenuity and determination to reach beyond our terrestrial boundaries. Join us as we count down the top 5 concepts for space habitats that could very well be our future homes. At number 5, we have the Orbital Greenhouse. Picture this: a living, breathing ecosystem, not on the surface of our home planet, but orbiting around it in the vast expanse of space. That's the idea behind the Orbital Greenhouse, a fascinating concept that is as innovative as it is ambitious. The Orbital Greenhouse combines advanced hydroponics and the abundant solar power available in space to produce food. It's a step towards a future where we're not just surviving in space, but thriving, generating our own food in a self-sustaining manner. Imagine a lush green oasis, spinning amidst the stars, harnessing the power of the sun to grow fresh fruits and vegetables, even when we're light years away from the nearest farm. It's the perfect blend of technology and nature, a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless drive to conquer the final frontier. A self-sustaining ecosystem in the void of space, the Orbital Greenhouse might just be our answer to long-term space survival. Coming in at number 4, we present the Lunar Base. This ingenious concept takes us to our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon. Envision a permanent human settlement on the Moon's surface, not just a temporary outpost, but a thriving, self-sustaining community. The Lunar Base concept capitalizes on the Moon's resources for construction and life support. Picture a base built from lunar regolith, the dusty material that blankets the Moon's surface. This lunar soil is rich in metals and minerals, perfect for constructing habitats, manufacturing equipment, and even producing rocket propellants. Life support on the Moon would require ingenuity and resourcefulness. Recycled water and air systems akin to those on the International Space Station would be a must. But the Lunar Base concept goes a step further, proposing the cultivation of plants for food and oxygen production, using hydroponics and other advanced agricultural techniques. The Moon's lower gravity, just 1/6 of Earth's, brings unique opportunities and challenges. It could make heavy construction tasks easier, but also pose potential health risks to inhabitants. Scientists and engineers are hard at work solving these issues, paving the way for the Lunar Base to become a reality. Inevitably, the Lunar Base would be more than just a scientific outpost. It would be a testament to human ingenuity and determination, a beacon of our species' resilience and exploratory spirit. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, might soon become a second home to humanity. Number 3 on our list takes us to the Asteroid Colony. Imagine, if you will, an entire community living within the belly of a hollowed-out asteroid. A place where the very walls that shield you from the cold vacuum of space are also your source of vital resources. This innovative concept takes resource utilization to a new level. The asteroid itself provides the materials for construction, life support, and even fuel for propulsion. Picture this: mining operations that don't just extract resources, but also shape the living spaces within the asteroid itself. Asteroid colonies could move through space, propelled by the very resources they mine. These self-sustaining habitats could navigate the cosmos, bringing their inhabitants to new worlds or resources as needed. This concept combines the best of space exploration and colonization, offering not just a home, but a vehicle for humanity to navigate the stars. Who knew that the rocks hurtling through space could become the foundations of our future homes? At the runner-up position, we have the Mars Metropolis. Imagine a sprawling city on the red planet Mars, not just a few habitats or a scientific outpost, but a full-blown metropolis, complete with its own infrastructure, governance, and society. Sounds like a science fiction novel, right? But with the rapid advances in space technology and exploration, this could very well be our reality in the not-so-distant future. Just picture it. a city with towering structures all designed to withstand the harsh Martian environment. A place where humans can live, work, and thrive. It's a city that has its own life support systems capable of producing food and water, recycling waste, and even generating power. A place where the air is breathable, where the temperature is comfortable, where life as we know it can flourish. But it's not just about survival. This Mars Metropolis would also have its own governance, a society that follows its own rules with its own culture and way of life. It's a place where the human spirit of exploration and discovery can continue to thrive, where the boundaries of what we thought possible are constantly being pushed. And this is not just a dream, it's a goal, a target that scientists, engineers, and visionaries from around the world are working towards. Each day we are taking steps closer to making this Mars Metropolis a reality. Mars, the red planet, might not just be a point of exploration, but a thriving metropolis in the future. And finally, at number 1, we have the Galactic Ark. This is no ordinary spaceship, folks. Imagine a colossal vessel, a veritable floating city in space, designed to ferry thousands of people across the interstellar void. The Galactic Ark is not just about transportation. It's a fully self-contained microcosm of Earth, carrying a myriad of ecosystems and a diverse array of life forms. Picture vast forests under biodomes, rivers running through artificial canyons, and high-tech urban areas all coexisting on one spaceship. The Ark is designed to be a home away from home, a safeguard against any catastrophe that might befall our home planet. But it's more than just a lifeboat. The Galactic Ark is also a vessel of exploration and colonization, equipped to establish human presence on distant habitable planets. It's a bold vision, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. The Galactic Ark, a concept straight out of science fiction, could become a reality, ensuring the survival and prosperity of our species among the stars.